Hi, are you ever in a pinch and you need to do frozen chicken quickly? Well, I love to use my quick cooker. It's kind of like an Instant Pot, but there are some features with this that I really like. First of all, there is a pan, a stainless steel pan or bowl that you would put in it, and you can put the chicken on a rack. So I am going to do that. I have 4 chickens that I'm going to do. They're frozen, and then I'm going to make either 1 or 2 meals with them, but I'm going to prep it tonight. So I'm going to put my rack in the bottom, and then I need to put a cup of water in my quick cooker, and that will help it to come up to temperature. And then what I'm going to do is take my chicken breasts and I'm going to put them, a little frozen, put them in my quick cooker. Have to use my hands, too slippery. Anyway, I have all 4 of the chickens in the quick cooker, and then what I'm going to do is take my lid. Now with a lid, you always have to make sure that your seal is tight on your lid. If you don't, then the air is going to come out, the steam, before you want it to. So with the quick cooker, this is what I like about it. With the quick cooker, there's a button right here that you can push to release the steam. There is a cloud up here. Both the cloud here and the cloud here need to be facing each other. And then this is the red knob, and when it comes to pressure, this will open up. So I'm going to put the lid on the quick cooker. And on the quick guide, it says that if it's frozen, this talks about for whole chicken, that I would do 40 to 45 minutes. Since there are 4 large pieces of chicken in here, what I'm going to do is make sure I do it to the 40 to 45 minutes. Now on the quick cooker, I need to get my glasses here. What you need to do is, it does have a chicken poultry that you can go to. However, that only goes for 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to do a custom. This is a little bit different than the other ones that I've been using. So I need to add the time. Sorry about that, I'm used to 2 other products. And then I'm going to bring it up. So this will say 45 minutes because I want to bring it up to 45 minutes. It still is on chicken and poultry. Now on the quick cooker, what you need to do is there's a start button right here, and you will go ahead and push the start button. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring it up to pressure. It's going to heat the water in there, bring it up to pressure, and then just like my mom's old pressure cooker, it would, the red knob will pop up and it will stay up until it has cooked the 40 to 45 minutes. And then after that, this is going to start counting up again. And what I like to do with my chicken, you can have it where you release the steam, but I like to bring it back down so the red knob goes down by itself. That's the safest way, knowing that my chicken is really cooked. So anyway, this is our quick cooker. I'll come back and I'll show you some recipes that I'm going to use with the chicken. Anyway, have a wonderful day.